Hello, IOP Srivastava is going to demonstrate how you can solve the physics numerical based on based on reflection by curved surfaces. As you see, I have already solved one question on the screen. I have taken a problem of concave mirror. It's a concave mirror here. I got a concave mirror. This is a concave mirror, and this is an object, and this is image formation. I have created a problem. So I am offing all these things. Let us start from very beginning. मैं इसको प्रारंभ से ही शुरू कर रहा हूँ, सब उसको ऑफ कर देता हूँ. इसको मैं बंद करता हूँ. अब let us create a question. I have written let us create a question. मैं एक क्वेश्चन क्रिएट करता हूँ. उसमें हम चूज करते हैं फोकल लेंथ. Let us take focal length is say 50. An object is placed at a distance of say 22 meter. And height is say 4 or 5 meter, you can increase it. Now we have to calculate where image will be formed. So first see your statement answer. What I mentioned here, as you see in question, u means object distance is 22 centimeter. Basically it is plus. Here it is plus. It is plus because object is in front of mirror, right hand side, and we are following Cartesian law. According to that, it is positive. Focal length is also positive. Now we have to find out the position of image. So I have used the formula 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. If solve it, we will get v is equal to u into f upon u minus f. Put the values we have already selected, we will get this answer. By ray diagram, we want to say here is a ray diagram. Ray diagram I have taken it. How it is, how it works. A parallel ray starts from the top of the object parallel to principal axis and reflected through focal point. And another ray is coming out from center of curvature. So it will return back in that way. And after meeting these 2 points, these two rays, they generate the image here. Here is the image. If you want to solve the or want to know the height of the image, that also you can do. How you will do it? That I am also solving it. In fact, image is I am solving it. इसको कैसे solve किया जाएगा मैं आपको बता दे रहा हूँ. As you know very well that we know that the ratio of image is I image and object. Ratio of I and object is always equal to, it is ratio of V and U. V oblique U. So this implies that, let us say this implies that here again I am taking it as C control V. Image object is already taken as 4 5 centimeter. It is take it as mm, and what is the value of V? We have already calculated here that I am taking. V is it is V and this is U. And if you get this answer, then this implies that IM, image length M is equal to, image is equal to how much? It is 5 into, I mean U into a, this will give you U into, sorry, U not object height of 5 into, hmm, it is 5 into how much? This much, V upon U. One thing I have forgotten is that I also have take it here is equal to, implies that hmm, mm, V upon U. So it is say control V into 5, also 5 into this much, and it is divided by mm, just a minute, I'm finishing it here. mm, by I am removing this much. You solve it, you will get this. So what we will get after solution, that also I'm doing it here. It is H into mm, mm, is all divided by U. That is okay. So this way you can calculate the height of the image, and that is all about calculation. Now possibility is that suppose you take the your put the object whose distance is less than focal point, then what will be the image? How it will form? Here is a problem. I have done it. I wanted to show you. Oh, it will be at a far distance. So it will minus 30 से not possible to show you. So मैं थोड़ा इसको बढ़ा देता हूँ. Here it is. Yes, you want to see that. Here is the object. Object focal length is 21.8. You do it 22, and U is 13, which is less than the focal length. This is why image is found behind the mirror, and that will be virtual, and this is why answer is minus. So this way you can do the numerical based on reflection by concave mirror. I will do some numerical on convex mirror also. So this way you can solve the numerical. Keep in contact. And one thing I want to tell you, even then you have a problem, you can phone me. Sorry, you cannot phone, but you can contact me. I mail address. My mail address I am writing it here. My mail address is uh, here is my mail address is say omrdso at the rate of gmail.com, and I have a website also. Its address is sites.google.com/view and slash om gurukul. Om Gurukul. Okay, this is my mail address. This is my mail address, and it is my website. If you want to ask anything, please mail me. I will answer it. And if it is possible, I make a video of it. I will put it on YouTube. You can go through. And you can also visit my website sites.google.com/view/Om Gurukul. It is a platform where I have supplied each and everything: videos, books, question books, answer books, and lot of notes. Everything you will get up from high school to intermediate level. And those who are interested in IIT entrance preparation or engineering entrance preparation, they will be very, very beneficial out of it. So please visit my site, and if a problem, please mail me. Okay, thank you for watching the videos.